Hi friends, hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to show you my art supplies. So recently I ordered these Stick High 50 pressure writing pen from Amazon. So these are very good in writing and especially for doing mandala art. And I also received one mandala art for beginners booklet along with these Stick Hi-Fi pens. So it is very beautiful. So it is having many interesting pages. So basically it is for beginners, right? So if you are just starting learning mandala, so you can go for it. So this is available on Amazon. Link I will add in description. You can buy from there. Okay, if you would like to purchase it, you can buy it from there. It's really beautiful. You can see there are many beautiful patterns inside. Okay.
Mom,
Yes, Hargun.
have you seen my mandala art anywhere?
Yes, actually I was showing it to my subscribers. Do you want to see? Take
I
it.
want to try it.
Do you want to try it? Okay, then take these pens also. Which page you would like to do?
I would like to do this one.
Oh wow. Can you show everyone how you are going to do it?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Wow. Wow, you are doing it very nicely.
Thank
Do you like doing it?
Yes, it's so much fun.
Okay, that's cool. So let everybody see what you are going to make. Wow, you are so good at doing it.
Yes, I'm very good at coloring.
Okay, that's cool. Is it enjoyable?
Yes, it's very enjoyable.
Okay, that's cool. Hargun, are you done yet?
No, just doing.
Okay, so how much time will you take to complete it?
Just 5-10 minutes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Will you be able to do this whole in 5-10 minutes?
No, just 1-2 minutes.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, let's see.
2 hours later.
I'm done.
Wow, it's beautiful. So have you done it in 5-10 minutes this much only?
Yes.
Okay, let me check the clock. OMG, it's been 2 hours you were doing it.
I didn't notice the time.
Okay, it means you're liking it, doing it so much that you didn't notice the time. Okay, so let's continue. Do you want to see some more art supplies, Hargun?
Yes, I really want to do
Okay, let's go.
Oh, look what I found inside the box.
What is it? Oh, these are Dome's brush pens, Hargun. So these, these brush pens are available in 26 shades and we have silver and gold also. Do you want to see?
Yes.
Okay, let me open it. See? So beautiful these colors are, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to do something?
Are they different from sketch pens?
Yes, they are a little different from sketch pens. Oh,
They look like brushes.
yes, that is why we are calling them brush pens. You want to try it?
Yes.
Oops, but I don't have anything to try it on.
Let me see.
Can you find something?
Let me check. Oh yeah, I found a book.
Oh, thank you. This is my art book. Okay. So this is A4 sketchbook, which is having 100 sheets in it. So I recently ordered everything for me. So it is having spiral binding. Okay. So and one more thing is here about these sheets. You can tear them out after doing the art.
What about this part?
Yes, this part you can keep it inside only in the spiral. If you want to tear it, you can tear it from here. If you want to keep the art inside, you can just keep it like that. Do you want to try brush pens are good?
Yes, I want
Let's
to.
try it out. So what you are going to make?
I don't know. Let me
My favorite one is this pink color. So I'll try making heart with it.
I love this one.
Okay. So you do it according to your side. I'll do it according to my side. Wow, these are so nice.
This. I'm done.
Can I borrow that?
Yes.
Thank you. Wow, you made a very nice flower. How's my hearts?
Hardest.
Okay, thank you.
Mom, can we try something else now?
Yes, of course, but I can't find the box to pack it up.
I found it.
Okay, thank you.
I found the next item.
Hey, but I have not finished my previous one.
You can try with these.
Okay, what are these? Let me see.
These are crayons.
Oh,
Let me take
so
this.
these are Dome's extra long crayons, wax crayons. Okay, let's see. Wow, these are very pretty.
Okay, I'm using pink.
Okay, I'll
And
use
what
red.
I do with it? I'll just. I'm not interested in using pink yet.
You can try any other one.
Okay. Let me try yellow. Like for something upside down triangle. And then a triangle like this. Then a triangle like this. I don't know what it is, but it's something that I don't know.
Ta-da! My heart is done. Ready, ready, waxy, waxy heart.
And I think all these.
Okay, why you are taking all out?
Just for I don't know.
Okay.
Should I keep this back?
Yes, please.
Green. Which one next? Purple. Dark blue. Yellow.
Okay.
Drop one.
Do we have anything left?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
The
bring
box
that.
is filled. Why did you buy 2 packets of crayons?
Oh, these are oil pastel colors. So these
What are those?
these are oil pastel colors. So in these oil pastel colors, we are having pastel colors. One pastel color. This is pastel holder. Okay, this is pastel holder.
So we
And-
put the crayon inside.
Yes, and this is the scrapping tool. Okay, this is
I
the
know about
scrapping
the
tool.
scrapping
Okay,
tool.
that's cool. So do you want to try them?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
I
do.
have one question. If
I'll make
these
a
are
rainbow.
oil pastels, then what were those?
Those were crayons.
Okay, I get it now.
Okay,
Here's purple.
so I'll just make a small rainbow.
Me too.
Okay. So you have to use them very politely.
Use them very gently and hardly. I mean politely.
Let's see whose rainbow will be better.
Mine, of course.
Okay.
You're not even building.
I like your confidence, Argun.
You're just building a cloud. You're not even building one. You're just building
See
a
the
cloud.
magic. Wait for
Oh,
it.
I get it. What are you going to do? I need that color.
Then wait for it.
Okay.
If you need that color, just wait for it.
I could use a black color. Dot, 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 star, 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 star. 3. Let's take it. Not the best rainbow artist. Or a cloud rain. Oopsie.
Just wait.
Okay. My cloud is looking better.
Okay, that's cool.
Now I need.
Do you know what are the 7 colors of rainbow?
Yes. Purple, dark blue, light blue, green.
Do you know the order?
Yes.
So we call it
red.
Vibgyor. Vibgyor means we start with violet, then indigo, then blue, then yellow, orange and red.
Wait, why are you starting from red then?
Vibgyor, red at the end, no?
Oh,
So it's blue.
I put purple at the end.
Blue.
Now what do I do? I think I put it in the wrong order.
Yes, it's okay.
That's not the order. It's not. I think dark blue doesn't come after.
It's Vibgyor. Violet, indigo.
And
It's like
I
that.
call it Vibgyor. The stars are bumping
We don't
in.
have blue color in it. Okay. Let me add sky instead of blue.
I might borrow these two colors. My rainbow's not that good.
It's very pretty.
The downside about it is the black. Red is looking pretty cute. Let's see. These are hard to use. Can I have this?
It's not working that. I
Yeah,
like it without scrapping.
I'll scrap it. Oops.
It's not working. Okay, that's all.
Wait, my rainbow's
Is
not
your rainbow
finished.
ready?
Yeah,
Your
now
rainbow
it's
is looking very nice. Okay, let's audience decide whose rainbow is more prettier.
you missed green.
Oh, yeah. I
It's
was
light green.
I was thinking. It is light, I'll just use dark. I was thinking I miss any color. Which is that? Thank you. Oops, thank you. Okay, that's all for today. So this was our art supply 1. Be ready for art supplies part 2 also. Stay tuned.
Ooh, what happened to my hand?
Oh, so you got colored your hands also.
Okay.
Okay, say bye everyone.
Bye everyone.
See you in part 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for the notifications.